click on the subscribe button for more such amazing videos, and also click the bell button to get notified first.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey, I'm Rashmi Agarwal and I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos, and a series is going on right now on my channel in which I shopped a hell lot, and I am showing those clothes in category wise. Like before I showed all the jackets that I bought and all the shoes that I bought, and now I'm going to show all the cold shoulders that I got. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you guys are also interested in such kind of haul videos and fashion videos, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button, because without that you guys won't be notified. And I promise you guys, I won't disturb you every time. I just post 2 times in a week, and that is Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe and hit a like if you like such kind of videos. And let's talk about the first top that I got. I got all these tops from Myntra and Koovs, and also from stalkbuylove. These 3 are my favorite websites, and they offer such a low price. So this is the first top that I got, and this is from Myntra itself, and the price of it is 1600, but it was on 70 or 80% off, so I got it for 2 or 3, maybe 300 I guess, and I'll mention all the price on the screen. So this is what the top looks like, and let's see what it looks like on me. Now coming to the cold shoulders, I have this from Myntra, and it is such a beautiful color, like a shade of green. I never had in my wardrobe, so I thought of getting one for myself. And it has this strips right here, and then off shoulder thingy which never comes up, is a thumbs up. And it also has this bow kind of thingy right here which we have to tie, and it's a very simple everyday kind of top. Then the next top we have in this list is this black off shoulder with, I don't know what it should be called. It is an off shoulder but a cold shoulder, so I included it in this video only. So this is a top from stalkbuylove, and this was, this costed me just 250 rupees, 250 or 300 somewhere. And just look at this, man, this is so gorgeous. Actually what happened was, this was on sale, but I always also have a coupon of 50% off, so I got 50% on my entire order. So ultimately this retailed me for 250 or 300 rupees. Another gorgeous right here. So another gorgeous top. I know I'm gorgeous, but still another gorgeous top right here. So this is what it looks like. It's a plain black, what should we call this? It's an off shoulder, but it has this transparent thingy right here, and then this thing right here which ties up at the back. And it's a very gorgeous top, like perfect for party wear kind of. I love it. Okay, I'm loving every top because I bought it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not transparent at all. It has very unique kind of design. I never saw this kind of design, and also the material is very nice. Like seriously, the material is amazing, and this is what it looks like. Top we have on our list is this beautiful pink cold shoulder top. It has this strappy detailings, and this is from koovs I guess, and it is from their brand EVAH. And if you guys are interested, I'm in the size XL in all the things that I'm showing. So this is what the top looks like. It's a very cute top. This is another piece in our off shoulder collection which I bought recently. So this has this strappy thingy, and then this elastic thingy, and this thing which I'm not a huge fan of because it goes like seriously like this. So I don't like this thing, and it's just not doing justice to this cute top. I don't know why. So yeah, this is what the tops looks like, but it is really cute. I mean, I love this baby pink strappy thinging, then again a little light color baby pink strappy thinging, thingy. I love this thingy. Okay, next top is this white and black top. It has this plastic thingy going on. This is also from Stock by Love. Okay, I'm showing the old opposite side. So this is also from Stock by Love, and I will insert my picture wearing this over here. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I post a lot of pictures over there, so please do follow me there. And this is what the top looks like. This has this elastic over here which fits really well, and I totally love this top. This was also for 250 rupees. Then the next top we have is this again from Stock by Love. I'm a huge fan of Stock by Love. I buy a hell lot of things from there. So this is what the top is, and it has very it has prints going on over here, and it has this bow thingy right here, and it was for 300 or 400 rupees. Again, the same thing happened with me. I got 50% off on my entire order. So again, this is, it has this frill thingy right here. So yeah, it is loose and very easy peasy breezy kind of top, so yeah, I'll insert a picture over here so that you guys can have a brief look of it. And if you guys like such kind of videos, please do subscribe. It will motivate me a lot, and please do hit a like. Also comment down below which one is your favorite. And yeah, tada guys, bye.